Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials. Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use column function in Excel. So the column function returns the number of a cell reference. It is a built-in function that categorizes, or it can be categorized as a lookup or reference function, and basically it returns the column number in which a particular value is. So what if you have to get the column number of a particular range? For example, if I want to get the column number of this range, what would be? So what I have to do is that I have to go and one by one count it, as column A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So column G is at the 7th index. Now if I put directly here is that equal to column and I put a reference as G3, okay, it returns me as 7. So this means that the column reference which I'm referencing here is at the index 7. Now how we can use column function in Excel in our dashboards? Okay, now what I've done here is that I have a set of names here with their age and the state where they lives and the country where they lives. So I have these names and I have created a drop down list of attribute and I want to find the column number here. Okay, so let me increase the size of this one. Okay, now if I select attribute age, it is showing me that the column attribute is present at number 8, which means that age is at column 8. If I count it now, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is correct, because what I have done here is that I have incorporated a if formula, that if the attribute is age, then take the column here. So I'll show you, just give me an example, just give me a second. Okay, now I have selected cell state here and this cell doesn't show me anything and I have to use this same formula. Okay, so now what I'll do is that I'll put a formula equal to if this is equal to age. Okay, then go and get the column number of age. Okay, now if it's not age, then again check if this is equal to state, then get the column number of this state value. Okay, so I'll do column of state. Now the next thing is if this is equal to country. Okay, I have done a mistake here. If this is equal to country, then get the column number of this one. Okay, otherwise if it's not country or something else, then put a blank. Okay, so state is at column 9. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how does this column formula is useful? Now what you need to do is that you need to understand when you will be creating a dynamic dashboard or when you will be using Visual Basic of application coding within Excel, then you might need to get the column number where the value is. So you will use column function with multiple other functions using if, SUMIF and find function to get the value when the column number is equal to something, which is 8, 9, 10 or 15. So column number won't be very efficient separately, but when you will use the column number with other functions, then it will be very efficient to get the value and your dashboard will be efficient, very efficient in terms of that you won't be hard coding anything. You will get a dynamic column number based on the selection of the attribute, and then you will get the values. So this is the basic example of column function. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.